How to turn off Siri. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to turn off Siri. Now let's get started. First we need to open our settings app. Then we should scroll down and find option Siri and search, and tap on it. In Appear menu we see a lot of options, but we need to switch off Listen for Hey Siri and press side button for Siri and confirm. Below also you can turn off options Show in Look Up and Show in Spotlight. And you can do the same with suggestions as well. And that's all. It was how to turn off Siri. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.